My name is Chase Allen. I am from Southfield, Michigan. I was born in Detroit. So my reaction to finding out that I was in the top 10 was actually a little bit delayed because I was going through my emails and I couldn't find the email. So I thought I just didn't make it. And then I want to say it was like after New Year's. I went to my junk and I found it and I was shocked. I don't know, just elated, just happy. I for sure feel like I've grown in my artistry and performing, and my voice has grew tremendously. I want to say to my coaches, thank you, for sure, because there's been long rehearsals and a lot of just like pouring into me, and I really, really appreciate that, like, wholeheartedly. I'll be performing Ain't That Peculiar by Marvin Gaye. The audience can expect from me a complete experience, a liveliness. I want them to participate with me, stand up, clap, loosen up. I really want an experience and a vibe. Yeah. To everyone in the audience, I love you. Thank you for coming out. Here we go.
Detroit, make some noise if you in the building tonight. I said make some noise if you in the building tonight. My name is Chase Allen, but I'm the DJ. I hope y'all got me. Will everybody sing yeah? Yeah. How to sing yeah? Yeah. Stop sing yeah? Yeah. Yeah. All right. Honey, you do me wrong until I'm crazy about you. Stay away too long and I can't do without you. Every chance you get, you seem to hurt me more and more. But each hurt makes my love stronger than before. Cause if flowers grow away, well how can love grow from pain? Baby, you know, it ain't that peculiar. Ain't that peculiar. You tell me lies that should be obvious to me now. But I'm so much in love with you, baby, till I don't want to see that the things you do and say, I decide to make you cool. It's all gonna change my love for you. It's all but if the truth makes the love last longer, how to lies make our love stronger. Ain't that peculiar? Ain't that peculiar? Ain't that peculiar? Peculiar as can be. Listen, say hey, hey. All right, y'all doing real good out there, but y'all got me up here sweating, so I'm gonna do a little bit more for you. All right, just a little bit more. All right, bam, take me high. I cried so much, just like a child that's lost his toy. And maybe, baby, you think these tears I cried are tears of joy. Cause a child can cry so much until you do everything they say. Well, like a child, my tears don't help me to get my own way. I know love can last through years, but how can love last through these tears, baby? It ain't that peculiar. Ain't that peculiar? Peculiarity. Is that peculiar? Ain't that peculiar? Peculiar as can be. Heart, come on. Hey, drums, hit. Everybody now, I just don't understand what you're doing to me. I can't comprehend it, making me feel crazy. No.
I know y'all can do better than that, but Chase, baby. Chase worked up a sweat.
I did.
The Motown way.
Okay, Chase. I love the way you own that song. You know, you made it yours. It felt convincing, and you know, part of the challenge when you're doing a live show is being totally entertaining. And you were. I love the way you worked the stage. I love the way you included the audience. I love the way that, you know, you interacted with the band and everything. So, fantastic job.
Yes, Chase, you were great. I love the energy. I love your choreography. You did that. You were dancing with the keys, the drums. You were great. Awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, like you own the song. Like you embodied what that record was doing the whole time, and that's hard to do. You out of breath now. Singing and dancing and running around is not the easiest thing, and I think you did a great job with all three. So congratulations.
Thank you.
One more time for Chase Allen, y'all. Give it up.